core system libraries failing because of the JScript9 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To begin the walkthrough for JScript9, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the JScript9, the Microsoft JScript9 engine library. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for high-performance JavaScript execution, facilitating the data link within the Internet Explorer and legacy edge rendering manifests. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Since JScript9 DLL belongs to the Windows system core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including JScript9, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for JScript9 DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the JScript9 environment. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing JScript9 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.